Hello guys, welcome back to school. Today's my topic is solar system. You didn't subscribe? Please subscribe and like and give full support. We can go to the lessons. What I am going to tell you. Our solar system is in a galaxy called Milky Way galaxy, and in our solar system, the biggest star is Sun, and our Earth have one moon. Milky Way galaxy definition. The Milky Way or Milky Way galaxy is the galaxy that includes the solar system with the name describing the galaxy appearance from Earth. A hazy band of light seen in the night sky formed from stars in other arms of the galaxy, which are so far away that they cannot be individual distinguished by the naked eye. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy with a D25 isopodal diameter estimated at 26.8 plus minus 1.1 kiloparseconds. It is 87,400 plus minus 3,600 lights year, but only about 1,000 lights year thick at the spiral arms. More at the bulk. Recent simulations suggest that dark matter area, also containing some visible stars, may extend up to a um, up to a diameter of almost 2 million light years, 613 kpc. The Milky Way has several satellite galaxies and is a part of the local groups of galaxies forming part of the Virgo supercluster, which is itself a component of the Laniakea supercluster. It is the photo of Milky Way galaxy. I'll show our solar system is, I think it is this or in this stars. One is our solar system. I think it is solar system or another one. Can go to next. What is solar system? The solar system is the gravitational bound system of the sun and the object that orbit it. It formed about for 4.6 billion years ago when a denser region of a molecular cloud collapsed, forming the sun and a protoplanetary disk. The sun is a typical star that contains mountains a balanced equilibrium by the fusion of hydrogen into helium at its core, releasing this energy from its outer photosphere. Astronomers classify it as a G-type main sequence star. The largest object that orbit the sun are the 8 planets in order from the sun. There are four terrestrial planets: Mercury, Venus, and Venus, Earth, and Mars. Two gaseous giants, Jupiter and Saturn, and two ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. All terrestrial planets have solid surface. Inversely, all giant planets do not have a definite surface, as they are mainly composed of gas and liquid. Over 99.86% of the solar system mass is in the sun, and nearly 19% of the remaining mass is in Jupiter and Saturn. There are 8 planets in our solar system, and several planets such as Pluto and Ceres, according to the most widely accepted definition of a planet. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Sun definition. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system, which is a massive, nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma heated to incandescence by the nuclear fusion reaction. In this core, radiation, the energy from its surface, mainly as visible lights and infrared infrared radiation with 10% at ultraviolet energies. It is by far the most important source of energy for life on Earth. The sun has been an object of veneration in many cultures. It has been a central subject for astronomical research since antiquity. The sun orbits the galactic center at a distance of 24,000 to 28,000 light years. It is distance from Earth defines the astronomical unit, which is about 496 into 10 kilometers, or about 8 light minutes. Its diameter about 1,391,400 kilometers, 864,600 mi, 109 times that of Earth. The sun's massive is about 313,000 times that of Earth, making up about 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. Roughly three quarter of the sun mass consists of hydrogen, 73%. The rest is mostly helium, 25%, with much smaller quantities of heavier elements including oxygen, carbon, neon, and iron. Mercury definition. Mercury is a chemical element. It has symbol Hg and atomic numbers 18. It is commonly known as quicksilver, a heavy silver D block element. Mercury is the only metallic element that is known to be liquid at standard temperature and pressure. The only other elements that is liquid under this condition is the halogen bromine through metals such as calcium, gallium, and rubidium melt just above room temperature. Venus definition. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and the Earth closest planetary neighbor. But Venus is the third brightest object in the sky after the Sun and Moon. Venus spins slowly in the opposite direction from most planets. Venus is similar to in structure and size to Earth and is sometimes called Earth Evil Twin. Its thick atmosphere traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect, making it the hottest planet in our solar system, with the surface temperature hot enough to melt leaves, blow the dense, persistent clouds. The surface has volcanoes and Derfon mountains. Earth definition. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known. The harbor life is enabled by Earth being an ocean world, the only one in the solar system sustaining liquid surface water. Almost all of Earth's water is contained in the global ocean, covering 17.8% of Earth's crust. The remaining 29.2% of Earth's crust is land, most of which is located in the form of continental um, landmasses within Earth and Earth's land hemisphere. Most of Earth's land is at least somewhat humid and covered by vegetation, while large sheets of ice at Earth's polar deserts retain retain more waters than Earth groundwater. Lakes, river, and atmospheric water combined. Its crust consists of slowly moving tectonic plates which interact to produce mountains, ranges, volcanoes, and earthquakes. Earth has a liquid outer core that generates a magnetosphere capable of deflecting most of the destructive solar winds and cosmic radiations. Mars definition. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is also known as the red planet because of its orange-red appearance. Mars is a desert-like rocky planet with a tenuous carbon dioxide atmosphere at the average surface level. The atmospheric pressure is a few thousands of Earth. Atmospheric temperature ranges from 153 to 20 Celsius, and cosmic radiation is high. Mars retains some water in the ground as well as thinly in the atmosphere, forming cirrus, cirrus clouds, frost, large polar regions of permafrost frost and ice caps, but no liquid surface water. Its surface gravity is roughly a third of Earth's or double that of the moon. It is half as wide as Earth or twice the moon with a diameter of 6,779 kilometer and has a surface area the size of all the dry land of Earth. Jupiter definition. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with the mass more than 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined, and is slightly less than 1,000 the mass of the Sun. Its diameter is 11 times that of Earth and the tenth that of the Sun. Jupiter orbits the Sun at the distance of 5.20 AU with an orbital period of 11.86 years. It is the third brightest natural object in the Earth night sky after the Moon and Venus, and has been observed since prehistoric times. Its name derives from that of Jupiter, the chief deity of ancient Roman religion. Saturn definition. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9 times that of Earth. It has an eighth the average density of Earth, but is over 95 times more massive. Even though Saturn is almost as big as Jupiter, Saturn has less than a third its mass. Saturn orbits Sun at a distance of 9.59 AU, 1,434 million kilometers, with an orbital period of 29.45 years. Uranus definition. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is a gaseous, cyan-colored ice giant. Most of the planet is made of water, ammonia, and methane in a supercritical phase of matter, which astronomy calls ice or volatiles. The planet's atmosphere has a complex layered cloud structure and has the lowest minimum temperature of all the solar system planets. It has a marked axial tilt of 82.23 degree with a retrograde rotation period of 17 hours and 40 minutes. This means that that in an 84 Earth years orbital period around the Sun, its poles get around 42 years of continuous sunlight followed by 42 years of continuous darkness. Neptune definition. Neptune is the eighth and farthest known planet from the Sun. It is the fourth largest planet in the solar system by diameter, the third most massive planet, and the density giant planet. It is 17 times the mass of Earth compared to Uranus. Its neighboring ice giant Neptune is slightly smaller but more massive and denser, being composed primarily of gases and liquids. It has no well-defined solid surface. Neptune orbits the Sun once every 164.8 years at an orbital distance of 13.1 astronomical units. It is named after the Roman god of the sea and has the astronomical symbol representing Neptune's trident. Thank you by Kanishka M. Krishnan. Please subscribe for watching more videos. Please subscribe and like and comment. Thank you.